Club.
This is Parikshet and I'm Savan. We welcome you to the world of learning and having fun with us. Yeah? Okay, so this is 6 minutes 100 days challenge episode number 42. 42. Wow. Let's get started with episode number 42. And before we start, if you want to win some exciting goodies from Kids Funland Club, do not forget to hit on the like button, the subscribe button, be with us till the end of the video, and add a comment below of how did you like the drawing and what drawing you want us to do next. The first 5 comments win some exciting goodies. Let's get going.
And this is going to be a crooked monster.
A crooked monster. Okay, let's see how does a crooked monster look like. We start with the eyes. 2 big eyes. 1. Make the eyebrow in this. Okay. It's like a skull.
Almost.
Okay. And
The crooked part of
the teeth. Is it looking good?
About this drawing, you don't have to be perfect because it's a crooked monster.
Yeah, the best part is you do not have to look perfect.
So it just
You just need to scribble down. No, it looks a little weirdo monster.
nice. Why looks even good.
So if you haven't liked and subscribed the channel yet, go and get it done fast and add a comment below whose drawing did you like more and the next drawing that you want us to do. The first 5 comments win some exciting goodies from Parikshet and Kids Funland Club. Do you want to get the gifts? Yes, obviously you want. So hit on the like and the subscribe button, add a comment below, and do not forget to follow us on Instagram @ Kids Funland Club. Yo, see you in the next drawing. This was episode number 42 of 6 minutes 100 days challenge. We'll continue with episode number 43 the next day.